Hi everyone, I'm going to present my first project on data analysis and visualization. It's on the trade data between Canada and other countries. So the objective of this project is to create insightful graphs to depict important patterns for import and export both. For other countries product and when you see we are doing most of our business with US. I have created a small visualization for the product that we import from the US by road in year 2024. I'll share my journey, how I like uh, at which point I faced some challenges, and at which point the data analysis course helped me. So first, finding the right data set was quite difficult for me because I really wanted to have data from the trustable website and government data. So the source of the my data is Statistic Canada, and most of the time I used to get data which is older, like before 2020 or 2017. So it was hard for me to visualize old data, and that's what I don't really prefer. Sometimes data without proper information, sometimes they give just code for the product and they don't give the description, or sometimes when they give the description it's too long. And many times it happened that I have almost 100 columns available, and at first I feel a bit hesitant to work with it because then I have to make the cleaning part bit longer. So to clean data, I got almost 30-ish columns in my data set. So I dropped most of the column and renamed some columns, set correct format for dates, remove unnecessary values such as null value or undefined. And yes, when it's large data, you are a bit unsure and confused about like which data pattern you want to go, because there are like hundreds of data patterns can be available, and for this you have to make most important one. So the first one I created is the relation with US um, and other countries. You can see like with other countries we are uh, dealing almost less than 100 million businesses, while with US it's almost 600 million in year of 2024. Uh, yes, the next phase is like which product we are importing from other countries. So as you can see on the x-axis, I have noted down all the products and the details on the right side. And for almost all top 20 products, we the um, bar chart shows the US is contributing more than any other countries. At the bottom, I also mentioned the name of the countries based on the stack bar, but I can show you directly in HTML page. These are the top 10 products that Canada is using, which are imported from US. So based on this, it is like we can make a decision like to make a sustainable progress and sustainable economy, on which product we should focus more and increase more production so we can decrease im- um, im- import of the product. So first thing that I did was to clean. I'll share in GitHub. So first thing, I clean my data. As I say, I have more columns, so I I read the large file and then set the date format. Uh, the comment is wrong, but anyway, the I choose the data which are more than like only for year of 2024, because I have like my data set has the data from 1996 or 7. Uh, I set format for it, then I remove. There are a lot of columns which I remove, and I rename the column as well and transfer it to the um clean data which I stored in other file. Then the first one that I show you, this is overall trade. Uh, you can see with other countries and the amount of the value that we deal with USA. So these come from here, where the main function first it loads the data, so it reads the process CSV file as you can see here, and then it filter and group the data based on the country. So what does filter and group data do is to like according to each product where the product is not equal to all section, it group by country and trade whether it is import or export. Then it calculates the totals like how much import and how much export we do. And for each import and export based on the country, I just printed so that to make sure that I'm getting the right data. And I added that and the source for the um, VBAR and to create a figure based on the country and the number of the values that we got for the import and export. I can show you how the data looks like for a process one, because for the trade it's quite bigger file that doesn't supported by Excel since it's unlicensed. So as you can see, the date format change, country for like many country products. So they give a product for all section where it summarized like total of all other, and they gave list for the individual product as well, which trade type, import or export, mode, road, and the values are in thousands. Then the second one is imported product. So for the imported product, it's a bit long one. So for first, I already have a process data. So I just renames. I wanted to show product name and the code on the in the legend. So I created different column for each, and then you can see I filtered the data based on the country product code. Then I added for each product code. There are two type import and export. So for each this is sorry imported data. So for each imported data and the product code, I plot on one index which is product code, and only selected top 20 products since there are multiple product and it is only for top 10 countries. So you can see then I created a data source where product code with the product code and product names and country as well. Then I created the VBAR stack for country and product, and there are some formatting here. Uh, Consumer goods C22 contain a lot of product, for example, refrigerator, yeah, other electronic stuff, and perishable and non-perishable stuff also. The third one is pie chart where I only focus on the product imported from US by road mode. So for that, first I filter data only for United States and wrote, and then I extracted column like I did for other files as well, group product by name, so we can make a sum of the values. And I selected top 10 columns for each and added in the pie chart. Yes, that's it. I hope you like my presentation. And yes, for the second one, the stack on the for the each colors shows here at the bottom for the countries. Thank you.